guys, I'm Kimberly from Back Quarter Shop, and we are in Teresa Kogut's booth at Nashville Needlework Market. I'm sure all of you are so excited to see this. So Teresa, welcome. And
Thank you.
I'm so excited to see what you have that's new.
Well, these are all of my new releases here. So our bestseller is Serenity, and our other bestseller is the exclusive, which is Needleworker's Oath. So those are our two bestsellers so far.
And talk about each of the pieces that are new.
Okay, so over here we have Wherever There Are Birds, There Is Hope. That one has been really popular too. A Simple Life over here in the corner. And God Saw is another new release. Sacred, that's Faith and Stitches series that I'm starting. And then Voice So Sweet. And then we have the Hello Spring book, which includes 8 designs. And I have 2 of the models here for that. And then we have Strawberry Sheep, Spring is Hope, and Remembrance. And then we have some punch needle and a couple little applique.
So how many new cross stitches do you have?
11.
That's amazing.
It's kind of a lot. My husband's like, why so many?
So how many years have you been coming to this market?
About 18 years.
Oh, wow.
I started out with punch needle only for many years. And then shops were like, we like punch needle, but we can't sell it. We want cross stitch. And they kept asking me. And then finally I said, okay, I gotta check into this cross stitch thing. So now it's all cross stitch and a little bit of punch needle.
Do you fly here? Do you drive?
We drive. It's about 10 hours.
Okay. And then are you gonna go home tomorrow or the day after?
We are going, well, my husband's going home Tuesday and I'm staying with my friend. She lives down here. I'm getting some
awesome.
Downtime.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So this is going to be your bestseller, you think?
Yes. Before we left, all of our pre-orders, this was the bestseller.
Mm-hmm.
But then, we have the Nashville exclusive, and so they couldn't pre-order that. So that's been selling like crazy.
What is, out of all your new releases, what's your favorite one?
Wherever There Are Birds. It's just that big bird and the primitive look of it, right up my alley.
And what's your favorite part of coming to Needlework Market?
Seeing everybody. It's so fun. Over the years, you have developed these friendships with designers and shop owners and getting to meet people like you, and it's just fun. Yeah.
And how can all of our customers find you?
Well, I have a website, teresakogut.com. I have an Etsy shop and Instagram at Teresa Kogut. Yeah.
She also has
FlossTube.
And she also has Patreon. Do you want to talk about Patreon?
Yeah, I have a Patreon that is so much fun. We're just building a community of cross stitchers, and it's, they get free patterns every month, and I do live videos with them, behind the scenes type of things. They get Etsy discount codes. I have a secret shop for them to shop in. It's password protected, so it's just really fun, and it's grown, and it's been a blast.
Yeah, a lot of our customers are in it, and they love it. We hear that they love it.
Oh,
so
that's good. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you. I appreciate it.